Hi everyone, today we are making Christmas decorations. We're gonna start with heart wreath. You just need a cardboard and I'm gonna use this heart to shape all around. Then draw another one a bit bigger, about 3 centimeters bigger, because we're gonna glue 3 lines of these balls. Now first cut only the bigger one out. We're gonna glue a string here so we could hang it. And we're gonna start gluing all these balls around. Just put hot glue and glue it. You start with this one. First one side, now we're gonna continue with the other side. So just put the glue like this and then glue them all on. Cut here. Now we're gonna do the third one on this side. Now I'm gonna cut this out with this knife, just be careful. On this side you can just add some paper, glue some paper, or you could even glue some gold or red guirlanda, but I'm gonna go without. And I will just glue one of these bow. I already prepared them and I'm gonna see which one, and I'm gonna just glue here on top. So I could glue this one or the gold one, and I can glue one red star over here. You can even give or take something always, or this one. So I kind of like the gold one the most, and I'm gluing the red star. And it's finished. If you like it, please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in another one. Merry Christmas, Happy Peaceful New Year. Ciao!